Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. It's gonna be a weird one. It's kind of all over the place. I was just showing you guys some of the things that needed to be done around the house, and I kind of failed because either I didn't have enough time or I didn't have all the supplies that I needed. So yeah, I don't know. It's all over the place. I still hope you guys enjoy it. As you can see, I'm giving you guys a quick Sam's haul. By the way, those yogurts, I think they were like sugar-free. They're disgusting. My husband loves them. I need the sugar in my life. I'm sorry. But yeah, I mean, the haul is pretty much self-explanatory. I'll let you guys see what I got, and then we can go ahead and get started with the video.
Let me feel your love again, 'cause I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name. Take me to a different place.
So this is the very first fail of today's video. I have been wanting to clean out my refrigerator for a couple of months now, and I finally got the chance to do it, but I didn't get to do all of it. I did most of it while my son was napping, and then I had to go pick up my daughter, so I didn't get a chance to do the freezer. I guess that's just gonna have to wait for another day, guys. I did clean out everything. I took pretty much everything out of my refrigerator. Half of the stuff in there was expired. I haven't cleaned out my fridge in, I don't know, guys, maybe 2 months. I'm not even gonna lie, but yeah, I just took everything out. I washed these little container things. I don't know what they're called, but I washed them, then I wiped everything down and then put everything back in the refrigerator.
Something I can never be without, yeah. I'm in your command. Thought I was a man of my own, but it's been 2 years. I'm only a shadow of the good on me now. A breeze in my ear, 'cause you know I cannot say no to you. Feeling like home, but should it be like this? Locked up in your dome, you know I fight for you. What do I do? Every time you call my name, what do I do? You're whipping me into madness. I try to lay low, but I can never stay away from you. What do I
By the way, I somehow lost some of the footage of me cleaning out my fridge and restocking it. I don't know how that happened, but I just thought I'd let you know.
stop it? So I keep on rolling in silence. So I keep on rolling in silence. I find myself apologizing when you've started it. Why? Under a spell, I really wonder how did it come to this? Go see my friends, but then I realize they're all your friends. Is this who I am? You see me running around in circles, feeling so sweet, but should it be like this? I'm loving the heat.
How cute are these little Coke bottles? I get mine from Tijuana. I don't know if you can get them here, but we know somebody that travels back and forth every week. So yeah, that's how we get it. And I don't know about you guys, but the soda from Mexico tastes so different. I don't know what it is. It has a different taste to it. If you know, you know.
I want to be daring, baby, dancing.
So I'm quickly doing a little restock of a couple of things that I have here. And then I'm going to go ahead and move on to the second fail of today's video.
Night away, I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better.
right, so this is the second fail of today's video, but hear me out, guys. I was going to show you guys how I wash my fruit, but I completely forgot that my mom had came and used up all of my vinegar. She did this dish called cueritos. I don't know how you say that in English, but it requires a lot of vinegar, and she pretty much used all of it. And then I normally use baking soda as well, but I was all out of that too. But I did wash the fruit very thoroughly, so I mean, give me some credit.
You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby. Dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off.
And we are all done with the fridge. Look at how nice it looks. I know it doesn't look like Pinterest perfect, but it's way better than it was before.
If I want, let yourself be free and maybe.
All right, so I wanted to share this little tip that my mom showed me. I don't know if everybody knows about this, but I didn't. And I think I only have a little bit less than a year doing it now. So I figured, you know, if I didn't know about it, maybe some of you didn't know. So all it is that I am putting my meat into Ziploc bags. So it just makes it easier when it comes time to defrost. I don't have to defrost the whole thing. I can just bring out one of these little bags and just defrost it. I do this also with my beans. I'll make like a big batch of beans and then put them in Ziploc bags and just take out a bag or two as I need it. It's just, seriously, it's been a game changer, and I just wanted to share it with you guys.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter.
All right, moving on to filling out our magnet calendar that we have in our fridge. I told you guys this video was all over the place, but I normally have my husband do it because I have terrible handwriting. My cursive handwriting, is that still how you call it? That's pretty decent. But yeah, my regular handwriting, it sucks. So I always have him fill out the whole calendar.
Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby.
This is the last fail of today's video. I don't know if you guys remember that I wanted to stain the cabinet in my living room, but this is the only wood stain that I have, and it looks a little bit too red to me, so I didn't want to rush into it and then regret it later. But anyhow, let's go ahead and move on to filling up this little glass container with some coffee. If you guys saw on my little community tab here on YouTube, I mentioned that I got a new coffee machine. It was actually an early Mother's Day / birthday gift from my son's dad and his wife. And I know that sounds a little bit weird, and I really don't like to share a whole lot of my personal life here on social media. But long story short, my oldest son is from a previous relationship. His dad married, and his wife and I kind of just kept things civil between us. We did it for my son, but eventually we developed a really beautiful friendship, and honestly, I'm very thankful for her.
Sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your ego.
So I'm not sure if this is where I'm going to keep the coffee machine or not. Honestly, I was just dying to take it out of the box and start using it. For now, I'm leaving it there with this little setup here. But that's pretty much going to do it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was a weird one, but if you did like it, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. And I will talk to you all in the next video, God willing. Bye.